Welcome to Kathmandu Valley again. This time it's a food video. We'll try homemade food at a restaurant. This restaurant is called Lete Thakali Kitchen. It's a very popular kitchen among locals, and it has a beautiful ambience, I must say. Very neat, very clean, and ideal for lunch, breakfast, dinner. When you sit here, and it's very spacious and it's ventilated, and you can even enjoy the sun inside. Located in Man Bhavan, Javla Khel, Lalitpur, Kathmandu Valley locals' favorite restaurant. It's hardly 6 minutes drive from Patan Darbar Square, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The seating arrangement is absolutely family friendly and group friendly. आपका स्वागत है लेटे थकाली किचन में, जहां वेजिटेरियन और नॉन वेजिटेरियन फूड मिलता है। लेटे थकाली किचन यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट पाटन दरबार स्क्वायर से केवल 6 मिनट ड्राइव की दूरी पर है। यहां टैक्सी और गाड़ियों के लिए एम्पल पार्किंग स्पेस है। काठमांडू वैली के लोकल्स का फेवरेट रेस्टोरेंट है लेटे थकाली किचन। इसकी खासियत घर जैसा बना खाना रेस्टोरेंट में मिल जाता है। Let's check out the variety of food available here.
So what I had, let me share with you. I had Phapar ko Dhido set, veg Dhido set. Okay, I had this one, and there are a variety of Dhido set, paneer, mushroom, boiler Dhido set, and of course there's non-vegetarian as well, fish Dhido set, and many others. Now let's come to the Phapar ko roti set. Okay, you have veg roti set, paneer roti set, mushroom roti set. So the image is also given here how it is for the roti, and besides that they have khana set also. They have where they have veg thali, they have paneer khana, mushroom khana again. So there are a lot of varieties for vegetarians. There's eggs curry, fried rice, chicken momo, chow mein, thuppa. So there's a lot of variety and a lot of thakali sets. यो चाहिँ नि बकविट फ्लोर भइगयो। अच्छा, यो चाहिँ नि मासको कालो दाल, आलु र चाउ, स्वीट दही, घी,
गुन्द्रुक,
साग भयो, गुन्द्रुक भयो, यो सैलेड भयो, मुलाको अचार, गोलभेडाको अचार, करेलाको अचार, पापड।
They provide drinking water, but if you're comfortable, you can also buy mineral water bottle. If you talk about variety, 13 variety in a platter. That's really amazing. It'll be really wonderful to know if there are other places in India or any other country where 13 varieties are offered in a platter. Do mention in the comment box. Thank you. Eating dal bhat or dal dhido in various restaurants have been my favorite pastime in Kathmandu Valley, but it's for the first time that I'm shooting this particular video for you. So enjoy this video and let me tell you why I chose Dhido as my Thakali set today. वैसे तो काठमांडू वैली में रेस्टोरेंट्स जब भी मैं जाती हूँ तो दाल भात सेट या ढीडो सेट खाना पसंद करती हूँ, और आज आप लोगों के लिए ये वीडियो बना रही हूँ। आप लोग भी बताइएगा कि इंडिया के किस पार्ट में इस तरीके से 13 या 13 से ज़्यादा वैरायटी होती है थाली में। तो कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताइएगा, हमें भी जान के बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। तो आज ये वीडियो आपके लिए है, और मैं आपको ये भी बताना चाहूँगी कि क्यों मैंने ढीडो सेट चुना, ढीडो में ऐसी क्या ख़ास बात है। I remember as a young girl, I used to closely watch my maternal grandmother's routine diet, who stayed alive for 95 years. I enjoyed watching her dip the Dhido in lentil and gulp it. Dhido is chewable free Therefore, the teeth are happy always. Originated in the hills and mountains of Nepal, Dhido is made from fafar, which is also called buckwheat. Thousands of years ago, the hilly and mountainous people of Nepal had discovered fafar's health benefits and nutritional value, which is hidden in its high fiber content, and therefore started its cultivation. And today, fafar is well embedded in the culture and cuisine of the people of hills and mountains of Nepal. Another ingredient of Nepal cuisine is Nepali pepper called timur, the essential ingredient in aloo ka achar, gol bheda ko chutney, that is tomato ki chutney, and various other cuisines.
Besides that, I had tried their tea, their coffee. The coffee is pretty good. Coffee, espresso, doppio, americano. So they have a lot of coffee varieties, and then they do have alternatives also, like hot milk and hot lemon. So there are many varieties. They have tea, like black tea, lemon tea. So all these, they do have a hot drink menu as well, and they also have cold coffee. This is especially for teenagers, for kids, iced americano, and you have all these varieties here, you can see.
हजारों साल पहले ढेडो की उत्पत्ति हुई है नेपाल के पहाड़ी और पर्वतीय इलाके से, क्योंकि यह इलाका फाफर की खेती के लिए उत्तम था। उन्होंने अपनी सूझबूझ से फाफर की खेती की शुरुआत की और एक नए क्यूजीन का जन्म हुआ जिसे ढीडो कहते हैं, जो आज वर्ल्ड फेमस है। ढीडो नेपाल के क्यूजीन, कल्चर और हेरिटेज का अभिन्न अंग है। फाफर में फाइबर कंटेंट बहुत हाई होता है, और जब भी हम ढीडों की बात करते हैं, हिमालय में रहने वाले लोग और पहाड़ों में रहने वाले लोग की सेहत का राज हम समझ सकते हैं। Here are some thumb rules to enjoy. Wash your hands to eat dhido with hands. Start by pouring little amount of ghee in the dhido, as you can see in the video, and take a small portion of dhido along with lentil. If you want to enjoy eating dhido the Nepali way, then you can gulp it. Else, you have the option to chew the dhido. If you want to enjoy curd as Swedish, you can have it in the last, or you can enjoy it during the meal.